There's 40 people behind me. The last man standing wins $500.
This is King of the Mat with a twist. We start off with two kings in the middle, me and fellow YouTuber Tyler Spangler. There's a lineup of 40 challengers in order of rank, from black belt to white belt. If a challenger passes the guard of the king, the king is out of the competition, and the challenger becomes the new king or queen. If the king sweeps the challenger, the king remains the king, and the challenger is out of the competition. Each round is only 1 minute, and if there's no sweep or pass during that time, both the king and challenger are out of the competition. The two kings remaining at the end will rock, paper, scissors to see who gets bottom position and who gets top position, and then battle it out to see who's the last man standing, and the winner of the $500 prize. We both start off with black belt challengers. Tyler is taking on my wife, Nikki, and before Nikki even gets a chance to start working, Tyler hits a quick wrestle up. Now Tyler gets the remainder of the round to rest, while I have my hands full with Jay, a black belt who's been training since he was a kid, and wrestled in high school. I don't have a lot of time to work, and I'm trying to force a butterfly sweep. Well, that didn't work, and one of the rules is that if we both end up standing, the king must sit back down to their guard. I'm running short on time, but I managed to wrestle up into a single. I lose my balance, but lucky for me I end up on top, and remain the king. Next up we have two brown belts. Tyler's got Antonio, and I think already Tyler's game plan is pretty clear. Use wrestling to win the challenge.
That's a sweet.
Yeah. Tyler is safe, and I've got Joe, the organizer of the retreat.
Black teams and race, let's go!
They got him tired.
Okay, yeah.
Let's hope.
Next up is Colin and Seth, two purple belts, intent on taking Tyler and I out of the competition. Those were some close calls, and I'm not out of danger yet. Lucky for me, Seth attempts a rolling back attack from a risky position, and basically gives me the sweep. Now let's see if Tyler's strategy will continue to provide him success. He gets caught in a triangle. And remember, no sweep or no pass means the challenger and the king are out of the competition.
Yeah, you're both out.
Tyler is out, and he's replaced by two purple belts, Michael and Phaja. Phaja, the guy on top, is actually my employee. He's doing a great job with his outside passing, but Michael hits a beautiful tripod sweep to quickly take Phaja out of the competition. This is a pretty cool takedown, although be advised this can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, but I know what I'm doing and felt I could execute it safely. Next up is Lee, another purple belt, and I realized pretty quickly what his strategy is. His strategy is to stall, to sacrifice himself to get me out. Time is ticking away, and I can't get a hold of him. Fortunately for me, he deviates from his strategy and attempts to actually pass my guard, which gives me what I need, connection to him. With less than 10 seconds left on the clock, I managed to remain the king.
This is not easy. It's actually really hard.
Now I've got Ryan, a guy much more skilled than the color of his belt might suggest.
Let's go, Ryan.
Unfortunately for me, I forget about my own rule, that for this challenge, turtle counts as a guard pass. I've been eliminated from the competition, but at least my daughter is having a good time. And with Robert passing Michael's guard, everyone purple belt and above have now been eliminated. If you're wondering what's going on here, Robert is one of many pizza connoisseurs that attend this retreat every year. Huge fans of a local pizza establishment, Pizza Boys. But will this pizza boy be able to take the heat?
Pizza boy!
Sorry, Pizza Boy, you only had 1 minute to deliver. Replacing them are Caden and Zach. I had more pizza jokes planned, but they were all too cheesy. Meanwhile, Ryan is putting a win streak together. But his next challenger is quite the challenger.
Let's go. Come to us. Sometimes something easy on them. Nice. We want that one. 30 seconds. Come to us fast. Stop letting fool now. There you go.
At the same time Ryan's win streak comes to a halt, Caden's win streak begins. One thing I found interesting is the amount of wrestle-ups.
Don't let him wrestle up.
If only they had followed my Jiu-Jitsu theory concept, keep your opponent's feet off of you and off the mat. It's wrestle up after wrestle up.
Don't let him wrestle up.
Caden has taken out 4 competitors now. Now let's see if Mateus will be the one to end his streak.
Not yet. Keep going.
Quickly, I want to share with you my favorite supplements from Transparent Labs. Their bulk pre-workout is powerful. When I don't have the energy to train, I take a scoop and the difference I feel in my energy is night and day. I love that there's no artificial colors, no fillers, and their transparency allows you to know exactly what's going into your body. Use code Jordan for 10% off your order at transparentlabs.com or click the link below. Just like that, we have a new king. Unfortunately for Mateus, he needs to follow through and get up on top to secure the sweep. That mistake takes away a shot at $500. Meanwhile, Josh has a beast in front of him, Jake. A super strong and technical blue belt. Let's see if it's enough to stop Josh's game plan. Another pizza boy is out of the competition.
Go.
And Luke's time as the king is short-lived, as he experiences every blue belt's worst nightmare, getting their guard passed by a white belt on YouTube. Another game challenger arrives, Austin, and he's intent on putting an end to Josh's dominance. More wrestle-ups for Josh, and another king is taken out. Lewis is the new king, but in front of him is a beast of a man, Andrew, a former rugby player. Although it's a brave strategy to wrestle with a former rugby player, it doesn't exactly work out for Lewis. Now only 2 remain, Andrew and Josh, and the most epic battle of all is about to start. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, you are one.
One. Okay. Ready? Go.
Ankle, but reach way. Stay small, though. Remember what I was taught you. Come on, eso, many forehead problems.
Josh is the winner, although it was a bit ambiguous, and maybe we should have had them keep going, but it's a tough call in the heat of the moment.
One of the best retreats I've ever been to in my life. My name is Joashi Honey Badger. Remember the name. Love you all and peace out.
But one more time, a little more enthusiasm. No, that's actually perfect. That's good. One more time, just to be safe. What would I say again? Okay.
There's 40 people behind
Okay.
me, last one standing, and $500.
There's 40 people behind.